First of all, name of Allah. In this JavaScript tutorial, we will learn about JS ES6 features. Heading 1, JS ES6 features. JS ES6 features. First, we will learn about let and const declaration. Heading 2, let and const declaration. Open script tag and close the script tag. Let variable equal single quotes. I can be assigned symbol and constant equal single quotes. I cannot be assigned symbol and in JS E6 features we will learn heading 2 and use arrow function. Script tag open and close. In between script tag we will use const and add variable equal open parenthesis and close parenthesis a comma b and use equal greater than and arrow symbol a plus b semicolon and console dot log open parenthesis and close parenthesis and we will use add variable and parenthesis and 2 and 3 comma 3 semicolon and save the file and go to the browser and press F12 to console.log. Open dev and zoom. As you can see, 2 plus 3 equal 5. In JS ES6 features, we will learn about template literal, template literals and use script open and close. In between script const variable name equal double quotes and use backticks and use JavaScript string symbol underneath const and variable use message equal double quotes and use backticks and use string hello comma $sign use open curly braces and close curly braces, and this name variable using these curly brackets, and semicolon console.log parentheses. In between parentheses we will use message variable because hello string and $sign and curly braces name variable saved in message. Semicolon, save the file, go to the browser, and in console.log hello JavaScript. In JS E6 feature we will learn about destructing assignment. Underneath array, underneath heading level 2, open script tag and close script tag. In between script tags we will use const and variable use color equal, and square bracket use, and single quotes use string that, comma, single quotes green, comma, blue, and use single quotes string for semicolon. Underneath we will use const square bracket open and close. In between square bracket we will use first color, comma, second color, and equal, and use variable color, semicolon, console .log open parenthesis and close. In between parentheses we will use first color, semicolon, and console log parentheses. In between parentheses we will use second color and semicolon. Save the file, go to the browser and see first color red and second color green in console.log. In JS ES6 features we will learn about object, and use script open and close. In between script we will use const, variable use person, and equal, curly brackets, and my name, colon, single quotes, ABC, and comma, age, colon, 30, semicolon, and use const open curly brackets and close curly brackets, my name, comma, age, variable person symbol and use console dot log parentheses. In between parentheses we will use my name symbol. After that console dot log parentheses and use age symbol. Save the file, go to the browser and you can see the result ABC and 30. Name ABC, age 30. In JS ES6 features we will learn about default parameter, underneath heading level 2 open script tag and close script tag and use const greet variable equal and parentheses and use parameter your name equal single quotes symbol and use arrow symbol and use backticks symbol and string use hello comma $, curly brackets your name symbol. After that we will use console.log parentheses. In between parentheses we will use greet parentheses and symbol. Save the file, go to the browser and see the console. Spread. Underneath we will use open script tag and close const and variable use numbers and use square bracket 1, 2, 3 symbol. After that const and variable use more numbers equal square bracket and use this variable numbers use comma 4, 5, 6 symbol and console dot log parentheses and use more numbers variable symbol and save the file, go to the browser and see the result. 4 array 3 numbers variable use and use dot. Save the file, go to the browser and see the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 numbers in this array. Const and sum variable equal parentheses use. In between parentheses we will use argument arg and use arrow symbol and use argument arg dot reduce and use parentheses. In between parentheses we'll use parentheses and ACC, comma, current, and use arrow symbol and use ACC plus current and comma, use 0 and semicolon, console.log and parentheses and use some variable parentheses, in between parentheses 1, 2, 3, comma, 4, semicolon. Save the file and go to the browser and see the result tab. In JS ES6 features we will learn about classes and use script open and close. In between script we will use class and use animal and use open curly brackets, constructor and use name, open curly brackets and close, and use this dot name equal name and use speak function, open curly braces and close curly brackets. In between curly brackets we use console dot log parentheses backticks use and dollar sign and curly brackets name. Class don't extends animals. Open curly brackets. In between curly brackets we will use speak parentheses and curly brackets. In between curly brackets we will use console dot log and use parentheses dog variable equal and new dog. Use parentheses, in between parentheses single quotes and use rex and semicolon. After that use dog dot speak and parentheses. After that symbol. Save the file, go to the browser and see the result. Rex box. Heading to promises and use script tag open and close, const and fetch data variable equal parentheses and arrow symbol, and use open curly braces and close curly braces, return new promise, and use parentheses. In between parentheses we will use resolve, comma, reject, and use arrow symbol, open curly brackets and close curly brackets, and use set timeout, and use parentheses and parentheses, arrow symbol, and use resolve, and use parentheses, backticks use, and use data fetched, comma 2000, and semicolon. After that we will use fetch data variable and use parentheses dot then, and use parentheses. In between parentheses we will use data, arrow symbol, and use console.log, console.log, and use data, semicolon, and see the result data fetched. Save the file and go to the browser and see the result. We will learn about Async await and use script open and close const and use variable fetch data async equal async parentheses and arrow symbol, open curly brackets and close, let data variable equal, and use avail fetch data and parentheses semicolon, and use this variable as a function console.log. First we use console.log parentheses and use variable init data semicolon, and use this variable as a function fetch data async, fetch data async parentheses semicolon, and save the file and see the result in